tumble abode. Hey guys, it's Clueless Mama DIY, and today you're at my house for my winter house tour. That awkward time of year where it's after Christmas and before spring, and you don't know a thing about what kind of decor to put up. That's what's going on right now. And if you're already a subscriber here, you know I love you, but you also know I have this little shadow box between our kitchen and our dining room, and I switch it out for the seasons. I need your guys' help. We're gonna run to the thrift store real quick before we do the tour and see if there's anything that we can put up in there. So let's go do that. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell if you love easy DIYs, home decor that any clueless crafter can do. Let's do it. Woo woo, we going thrifting. Tasha, look, we going thrifting. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm popping over to the thrift store, but I want to let you guys know in the top of my description after I say my little spiel that this is actually a collaboration with 6 of us. We got together to show you how we are decorating for the winter. It's hosted by Robin Johnson, and I promise you guys, you will be in awe of her decor style. My friend Nicole from Nicole North Garden, one of my favorite thrifters, is part of the challenge. Board or Bananas. I've been following her since I first started YouTube. The channels are all great. You got to check them out. At Home with Jillian, as well as Lacey Lewis. Everyone is linked in the description for you, and say hi after you watch this video. Right, Tasia?
Yes.
Right, Tasia?
Yeah.
She just wants me to drop her off at her friend. She's not even thrifting with me. There's no sale today at Value Village, but it's all good because I have some stuff to donate. So you get a discount when you do that. Enchanté. We are back at mi casa. I'm settled in. It's the evening now, and I'm going to show you guys quickly what I got thrifting. So one of the things that I'm happy to show you guys about where I'm going to be placing this in the winter house tour that you're watching is this really cool rustic candle holder. It's got this square block going on and then this rusty metal kind of rectangular cage around it, and I really liked the look of that. So we're going to be putting that in the living room in just a few moments. And not going to be part of the winter house tour, but I picked up this basket. It does have the tags on it. It was regular $19.99 and it was 50% off. It does have some damage to it that I'm going to repair. This is actually going to be for my February series, which is upcycled things to sell. So I'm really excited to share what I'm going to transform this in and hope that will give you guys some inspiration to make some coin on the side. Actually, if that's interesting to you, I'm actually currently doing Dollar Tree DIYs to sell, and you can start that series right after this video. It's linked in the description. Then the last thing that I got, which is super, super cute, is this really nice wooden wagon that is going to go in the front of my house for the spring, not for winter. So I'm going to paint this up. If you followed me last spring, I also painted up a dollar store wagon. I painted it white and added some cool things, but my dear son has since destroyed that, so this wooden replacement is going to be a lot more sturdy. All right guys, now since you're at my front entranceway, I might as well just start there with the winter decor. This is a fun, huge Dollar Tree snowflake I made out of popsicle sticks. It's one of two. Before my front entrance, when you walk in, we have the shoe rack and I like to decorate on top of there. And this is how it looked for the Christmas season. I had these Christmas trees that I thrifted at the bottom and some presents that I made from Dollar Tree items. And then on top, I had this present that I made with the word Emmanuel. Yeah, spelled incorrectly. That's why I'm clueless mom in DIY. So overall, a very Christmas looking front entrance. Let's get these on the wall. We are in the living room. This room made me feel so happy and cozy during the Christmas season, but right now it's got a little bit too much red. My daughter and I already took down the tree right after New Year's. It was looking pretty sad, and quite frankly, we had people over for New Year's and we went a little wild with karaoke and a friend actually fell into the tree. So that's already down, but let's get rid of some of the red in here, the snowman coasters, the presents that I made that are still on the TV stand, and even my son's Play-Doh masterpiece that has been sitting in the corner of the TV stand that it's just time to go. Let's switch out some of this stuff and see what we're left with. So for over on the coffee table that I keep promising to redo and never doing, I got this cute little plant. And as always, whenever I get a succulent, I ask you to pray for it so it doesn't die. But I also ask you to name it. So take a good look, and whoever has the best name gets to name our succulent. Honey, the chip bag, really? The last subscriber named our succulent Spike, so thank you for that. I also got this, was jacked from a Christmas party. You know the centerpieces? I took the centerpiece. I'm one of those people who take the centerpiece when they go home. You're allowed, but you know what I mean. And so I'm gonna switch it to this marble one because I don't really like this one as much. This is just from Walmart, this little guy. And I'm also gonna put in my coasters that I made from Dollar Tree, 100% from Dollar Tree for $3, and the holder beside there as well. That DIY is in the description. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, the fabulous shadow box. It's not that fabulous, but it's cute and I like it. And what I realized I had in our bathroom was this cute little snowman family that says our family is so cool. And I thought, you know what? That's a little less Christmassy than the joy sign that I just threw over from the Dollar Tree. And this cute little frosty looking guy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and switch that up and go ahead and keep those little trees in there. And I think that's good enough for winter. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this winter tour, and if you want to see more of my home, I do lots of home decor videos. And on Thursday I'm doing a live craft with me where you can join me to make chocolate bouquets from the Dollar Tree for someone you love or to sell if you're interested in that. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell, but most importantly, make sure you check out these ladies, their videos and their winter house tour, because it's just really cool to get to see how everybody has their own vibes and their own types of style in their homes. And if you do check out their channels, make sure to say Drea sent you. I'll see you in the next video. Love you, lovelies.